So here I'm discussing about the very important topic, how to earning using Facebook accounts. It's called Facebook pages. First of all, lot of people say for how to earning money through Facebook page. Okay. So is eligible for India or not? First question. So how do we can activate? How to check my availability? Is applicable or not? That is called the great option call is Facebook Creator Studio. First of all, we can go to the Facebook Creator Studio. The option call is facebook.com/creator/studio option. Once enter this URL, once enter this URL, we can know option call is your page is eligible for earnings or not. So what are the condition is required for earning money for through Facebook account? The Facebook monetization will for enable purpose. What are the rules? We can check for your pages. We can check total pages in one time option. Suppose your Facebook profile has 1,000 pages. Is eligible or not? How to check? After that, simple here, ad break access. What is called? Check availability. How much your earnings? We can check for where? Estimate earning will be how much? 0. Now first click for check eligibility. If you go for each and every page, see, followers are done. What's showing for condition? Minimum 10,000 followers, first condition, each page. Next one, 1 minute views per 3-minute videos. If you upload any 3 minutes video, minimum required for how many minutes we can watch? 1 minute. So you can upload any videos more than 3 minutes on your Facebook page. Next option, monetization eligibility standards is applicable. There's no issues for any Facebook page. Why? Proper postings, proper hashtags, proper insight. Next one, country availability. The Facebook is not given by the Facebook monetization on India. So which location right now is available for Facebook monetization? I can show for learn more. Please note down the countries except India will be there. So language, country availabilities. See this one. Here is not available for where? India will be not there. Suppose you can US is there. Dubai, UK. So if you come into Canada, Canada no. Only for few countries. Australia also applicable. So if anybody earning through Facebook, the monetization will be eligible for only for few countries. So if anybody asking for India kind of any Facebook pages, not eligible for Facebook earnings. Why? Because we can't enable for Facebook monetization. Minimum 10,000 followers. Any 3 minutes video upload, you can watch minimum 1 minute. Next one, we can looking for your monetization eligibility. Last one, country eligibility. When applicable this 4 option, you start your earnings on Facebook to gain for more money on your Facebook accounts. This totally depend on your Facebook pages, not for the profiles. So these are options. 10,000 followers, 1 minute views for